We are right now driving on Pickerel Point Road at Promised Land State Park, and that is Promised Land Lake. We toured Pickerel Point Campground better in last episode, so we're going to speed through this. All right, she is ready to get out of the van, and that is our site. It's considered a walk-on. But this is how far you have to walk. I think the sunset is on this side. We've never had this site before. It's pretty great. And here is our site all set up. Freya can even reach the water on her line. And I've got some steak that I'm going to make a sandwich with, but it's still too frozen for me to slice, so I have to wait a little while for it to thaw. But I'm going to sit out here and have some sun chips and some seltzer because I'm very hungry. And then I'm going to have a steak sandwich. You may recognize the flowers from our flower arranging video that we did this week. Maybe hummingbirds or butterflies will come to our table. You don't like sun chips. She won't eat them. Watch, she's going to eat them because you're watching. Nope, see, she doesn't like sun chips. That's crazy. Who doesn't like sun chips? And this is our meal by the lake. It's sort of like lunch and dinner together. It's filet mignon. And some for the dog, because she's a trooper. With mayonnaise and blue cheese. So this is the site 138. But we're not going to sleep in the tent. The van is right there, and there's a bed in it. So we're going to sleep in the van. But this is really nice, right? I was going to go for a kayak. It was pretty windy. Just a little while ago, actually. But I think that we'll save the kayak for tomorrow morning before I pack up. And we got firewood and stuff to make s'mores. So I think we're just going to hang out and relax at the campsite for a little while. This is a really sunny campsite. I have to say, there is no shade in this campsite. Hardly none. After 11:30 in the morning, there's none. But here, there's this little secret path and a great place to chop wood or clean fish or something that goes over to site number 139, which is a nice little path through the woods. And I think that actually it's a smaller site. And I'm only here for one night, so I'm not really all that. But your car is right there on the other side of those rocks. So this would be a nice site too. This is the last site before the swimming area. So, note to self, site 139 is good. And now I think it's time for a nap. Freya's trying to get the spot first. Finally, it's a bird blind. Oh, what's it got? See, she tried to grab the best spot. We're going to be pretty comfortable tonight. It's pretty sparkly out there. You tired already, Freya? It stopped. The wind stopped, but I don't feel like going for a kayak, actually. Although it is gorgeous out there. We're making a time lapse of the sunset. It's been very nice enjoying our campsite. Freya was on the table. Now she's on my chair. I gave her one of the cushions from inside the tent because I don't think she appreciates having to lay on these rocks. But look it, I think I started the fire pretty well. And I have stuff to make s'mores. I have all the ingredients, and instead of regular chocolate, we're going to use this Hershey's peanut butter cups because they were half the price of regular chocolate bars, and I always wanted to try the peanut butter. So that's what's on the menu for this evening's snack. She is hilarious, this dog. She doesn't want to sit on the ground. Or maybe she likes the elevated view. Are you kidding me? Oh, There it is. It's gonna be pretty messy to eat. It was good. And I got a headlamp. See it? See, looks pretty good. Come on, Freya. Get in. Hop up. Get in. Okay. And my van has interior lights that work with a button. There's the button right there. So I don't need the headlamp. We called it a day. Tomorrow morning was gorgeous. And we went kayaking. So please make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned. Give this episode a like. And until next episode, bye for now.